Please start. I'm here seeing from this.
Okay, thank you, sir. I'm going to start.
Please do. अब खत्म हुई वो बनाया।
Good afternoon, sir.
सब्जी बनाने के
And good afternoon, everybody. First of all, I would like to thank Principal Sir to give us this opportunity to enhance our knowledge and develop our skills. So my topic of the webinar is how to teach mathematics during pandemic situation. My topic is how to teach mathematics during pandemic situation. Teaching mathematics before pandemic situation. Teaching mathematics before pandemic situation. Now see here, education Education is not one-day process. It is a continuous process till last breath. Before lockdown, waiting room two are there. Admit. So education is not one-day process. It is a continuous process till last breath. Before lockdown, school was a garden and teacher was a gardener. The small young kids are our growing plants of this garden. Now, time has changed. For a time being, gardener and plants are same, but garden has changed. So this is our huge responsibility to nurture the plant. That is our young student. Here, teacher's role is as a facilitator to facilitate all the necessity to the students for future challenges. In response to significant demand, many online learning platforms are offering free access to their service. So why we should sit at our home and enjoy it as an holiday, when we have many platforms to educate our children to achieve their goals. So it means teacher should be always alert with what is happening in the world. Now the time has passed when teacher used to teach on blackboard. This is a new era with new opportunity to communicate with the student. We should not be stuck with the old thought process, and we must think always new ideas, concepts, and new innovations, and motivate children to achieve their goals. COVID-19 has taught us the importance of technology and has also taught us how to use the technology to create future soldiers to develop the world as a better place. So see here, e-learning. E-learning is very important nowadays. So see here, e-learning. So e-learning nowadays, when we cannot sit together in a single classroom, sharing knowledge with each other, the biggest advantage of e-learning is access to and demand courses many a time on required access to certain learning material. E-learning provides an abundance of such material that can be accessed year long at any time of the day or night. E-learning has made it possible for us to teach mathematics to our students through various interactive platforms, which are as follows. Here, Zoom and Google Meet, a boon for the teacher. Zoom and Google Meet has made it possible to teach mathematics to our students through online classes, which gives us the same experience as of the classroom. So this platform provides us with the power to teach online with the scheduled timetable. Here is an example that I would like to share with you. Here, now YouTube, a way to share. YouTube, a way to share your videos. In the modern day, YouTube is a great place by using YouTube. A student from one country can have access to education from another country. Therefore, learning on YouTube has gained tremendous importance. Students don't have to go outside or spend a fortune to learn the required chapters. So learner can save both their time and money. If a student is not able to understand a concept, they have an option. They have an option to watch it again. Now I am sharing my YouTube how I am teaching in the room. Now WhatsApp, best platform to stay in touch. So according to research, probably 4 tutors are engaging with almost 120 students on WhatsApp. This app is very helpful as the teacher can keep an eye on what is going on there or whether students are studying or not. It can also become a virtual classroom for students. They can ask for anything freely with their teacher. Students in this way can come with im- improved feedback as well. So here we can see the class group, class 11 science here and 12 science. We can make a group of the students and we are doing in Jindal Vidya Mandir. Now a platform to assess the students, Google Form. This is very important. We can assess the students either objective type of question or long question or short question. So teaching is an important thing, but assessing the student is the most important phase where we can track the student's performance through various online tests, quiz, competition, and worksheet with a limited time phase through Google Forms and can get instant result from it. We did like this in many times. So test conducted on Google Form. Jindal Vidya Mandir Salab, Maths Test Class 12. See here, beginning I was not knowing, but now I am knowing how to do or to form a Google form and to conduct the test. See here, mathematics is very difficult to type. So I took the images of the questions and then after insert here. Motivating students towards online learning. Parents and teachers should motivate the students to study online and try to focus as it. It is in the regular class as it is a high time and syllabus needs to be completed. The cycle of education never stops and always tries to spread itself through various means. So so we should encourage them to study and avoid them from distracting towards various online content and focus on their classes. Feedback from the students towards online learning. We are continuously trying to take the feedback from the students and the parents through WhatsApp and telephonic communication and are receiving a very positive feedback from the students regarding online classes. We are also trying to conduct PTM to share the student progress with the parents through online Zoom meeting. We have already conducted meeting for class 11. Now, lastly, I want to conclude with the word of great scientist Thomas Alva Edison that I never did anything by accident, nor did any of my invention come by accident. They came by work. When my friends were sleeping, I was trying very hard. So, my dear friends, kite cannot fly without support of the thread and wind. Here, kite is the student and thread is the teacher and wind is the congenial school environment. And the length of the thread is the knowledge. If we want our kite to touch the limit of the sky, we have to always update ourselves to coming challenges as it is a modern era new challenge. Thank you. Thank you for hearing me. Thank you all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, everybody.
School, school,